Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your signature in Docusign without an account. Alright, let's begin. First, open the email inbox where you received your Docusign document. Find the email from Docusign and click the Review Document button. This will open the document in the signing interface. Confirm access if prompted to ensure you can view the document. Next, locate the area labeled Sign Here and click it. This opens the signature options. You can select a pre-existing signature style, draw your own using a touchpad or stylus, or upload an image of your digital signature. Uploading an image is useful for maintaining consistency across documents. Once you've chosen your preferred method, save the signature. Check the document to make sure the new signature appears correctly in the designated field. After confirming, you can finalize and complete the document. Changing your signature in Docusign without an account is simple and flexible, letting you quickly update or personalize your signature as needed. So that's basically how you can change your signature in Docusign without an account. That's it for this video. Thanks.